The scene we are about to see is very important to the reflexive narrative of Singing in the Rain, and provides insight into an important time in cinematic history. In this scene, we observe Debbie Reynolds' character Kathy providing the voiceover for Jean Hagen's Lena. This had previously never been a necessity because films were silent. Watching how the voiceover process takes place also provides viewers with a behind-the-scenes look into filmmaking.
He holds her in his arms. Would you? He tells her of her charms. Would you? They met as you and I, and they were only friends. But before...
At the beginning of the scene, we see Kathy singing in a studio with a full orchestra, where they are recording her voice that will be placed over Lena's voice. The camera pans from her face to show the entire orchestra.
The story ends. He'll kiss her with a sigh. Would you? And if the girl were I, would you?
Second, we see Lena listening to the track that Kathy recorded and singing along with it. The shot opens focused on the recording that is playing, and then pans to show the speaker directly playing into Lena's ear as she listens and tries to sing along with the track.
Would you? And would you dare to say, let's do the same as they? I would you? And would you dare to say, let's do the same as they?
Perfect. That Selden girl is great. As soon as the picture is released, I'm going to get...
Lastly, the viewer sees Lena in full costume on set filming the scene in which she is supposed to be singing Would You? The framing of the camera and the zooms in and out that are employed allow the viewer to watch the progression of the movie from filming and editing to the silver screen. One fun fact about this scene is that the song is actually performed by Jean Hagen, who played Lena. Her voice was dubbed over Debbie Reynolds' voice.